pigmented. Falling on the floor. And it smells really good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be trying out a lot of new makeup, using some favorites, just getting ready together. I know you really enjoy these types of videos. I've been wanting to try out some of these products for a while now, including the Dream Palette by BeautyyBird and Sigma. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now, and I am loving how it turned out. So I can't wait for you guys to see it in action. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I do makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and then I also have a vlog channel if you're interested in that. Do I have some lipstick? This is like the third time I filmed this intro with lipstick on my teeth and I'm like, no! If you want to see how I got this look, then let's go ahead and get started. For primer today, I'm going in with the Farsali Skin Tone Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my T-zone and blend that in with my fingertips. For foundation today, I'm using one of my favorites. I'm actually working on my top favorite foundations of 2018, so expect that really soon here on the channel. Hint, hint, this one made it to the video because look at that. I am almost halfway done, and this is my second bottle. Love it. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. It has a soft matte finish. It looks absolutely stunning, and it covers so nicely, and that's what I love about it, is that it covers, but it doesn't look or feel cakey on the skin. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer in the shade 16G. I talked about this in my favorites video, obsessed with it. It's so good. I'm going to go ahead and apply this under my eyes. As you can tell, it's a very full coverage concealer. So start off with a little bit and then build your way up if you need that extra coverage. I love how this blends. It just melts into the skin. And on those days where you just need to look awake, this will be there for you. So I'm just blending this right under my eyes. By the way, you guys, we already bought the Christmas tree, all the Christmas decorations. I am so excited. Literally, I cannot wait. I am going to film that video right after I finish with this one, and I'm gonna try and get it up this weekend on my main channel. On the vlog channel, I also have some exciting news. We're gonna be doing Vlogmas. If you wanna watch this year's Vlogmas, make sure that you're subscribed to the vlog channel so you'll be notified every time we post a video. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, basically you vlog every single day from December 1st all the way to December 31st. So every day in December, and I'm really excited about it. It's definitely a mission and it's definitely a lot of work. I had so much fun last year, and this year we have so many good things planned for you. So make sure you go subscribe to that channel, shameless plug. And yeah, if you're excited, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Where is that? Oh, here it is. This brush keeps falling on the floor. It has a big old top, which I really love. I wish all my brushes came with a top like this. It's actually like a cover, so when you're done, you can just seal it and nothing goes on it. I'm gonna set my face using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in 2 medium. This year, the theme for our Christmas tree is Tiffany & Co. Very glam. Oh my God. Can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm literally like dying to film it. We were supposed to film it yesterday, but we ended up missing a few items. So we went this morning and picked the last few things that we were missing. So we're completely set for that video. For my eyes today, I'm gonna be using the Dream Palette by BeautyyBird and Sigma Beauty. Oh my God. I love the packaging. When you open it, you get all these gorgeous, stunning shades. You actually get a lot of product and eyeshadows in here. And it also comes with a dual-ended brush, which has like a flat top and then a fluffy side to blend in some colors. I love that you have warm tones, you have these bright colors, and then you also have these two right here, which you can use as highlighters. I'm gonna start off by taking Caramelito, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease, and I'm using the brush that came in the palette. I'm taking that same brush and I'm gonna go in with Tacos and Chill. Love that name, super cute. And I'm gonna apply this only on the outer parts of my crease. We're gonna do a halo eye today, so I'm taking this flat brush and I'm dipping it into Fearless, which is a black matte shade. And I'm going to pop this on the outer parts of my lid and the inner parts of my lid. Where do you find it? Oh. I'm taking this shimmery gold metallic shade and I'm going to pop this right on the center of the lid. This color is so pigmented. It's kind of giving me that wet effect, and I didn't even wet my brush. This will be so gorgeous to apply all over the lid. For eyeliner today, we're using this liquid liner by Morphe, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create a thin cat eye. I can't really talk and put on my lashes, so I'm just gonna pop them on. I'm gonna go back in with Tacos and Chill, and I'm gonna pop this right under my lower lashes. I need my bottom lash mascara for my bottom lashes. I was just using it. Oh, here it is. Sometimes it's like right in front of your face and you just don't see it. I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Discovery and I'm going to apply one coat to my bottom lashes, and I think we're pretty much done with the eyes. I am so loving how this eye makeup turned out, and the palette overall is absolutely gorgeous. It performed amazing, and I didn't really have any problems with fallouts or pigmentation. Overall, the quality is amazing, so I highly recommend it. Congrats again to Yasmin on this beautiful collab. So I'll link everything that I used in the description box below. Let's go ahead and contour this face because it's looking a little bit flat. I'm taking my Nars Laguna bronzer and I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones using this brush right here. This is by Morphe, but it doesn't really have a number. It came in their holiday set, so I'll also link that in the description box below. I'm using this Artist Couture Diamond Luxe Luminizer highlighter, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to the highest point of my face. Woo! This is pigmented. Okay, hold on. We need a little bit because that is all you need. That looks really pretty. It kind of has like that wet effect, so a little bit goes a long way. That's really pretty. I'm going to apply a little bit more on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and my chin. I got this Becca and Chrissy Teigan collaboration set in the mail, and I've been wanting to use it, so in my next video we're going to use the highlighter and the eyeshadow, but for today we're going to use the lip gloss. Let's just take it out the packaging because it's really, really deep in there. I thought this was a lip gloss, but it's actually a matte liquid lip. I love this color, so let's go ahead and try it. First, I'm gonna outline my lips using this Huda Beauty lip liner in Trendsetter. Ooh, I like this applicator. I like that it's at an angle, so it makes it easy for you to apply. And it smells really good. The things that make me happy. This color is gorgeous, wow. One more thing I need to do before I set my face. I'm gonna go back into the palette with Libra, and I'm gonna pop this right on the inner corner and my brow bone. I think we're pretty much done, so we can go ahead and set the face. I'm using my favorite, as you can tell. I've been using it a lot lately. This is the Lancome Fix It and Forget It setting spray, and it lasts up to 24 hours. It has a really fine mist, and it just makes your makeup stay in place for a long time, like it says. So I truly believe in this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this a few times around my face. You guys, ever since I cut my hair, I barely spent any time on it. Like, I literally just brush it and we're completely done. Today, I took a little bit of my scoop. I took a little bit of my smoothing cream and just brushed it behind my ear, applied a little bit of dry shampoo on the back of my head to add a little bit of volume, and that's pretty much it. I am loving that I don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Like, this is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This makeup turned out so beautiful. I am so happy with this palette. It is absolutely stunning. You guys definitely have to check it out. Congrats again to BeautyyBird on this collaboration. I'll link everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And this lip color, I am living for it. I think I found my new favorite. It also feels very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't really feel like a drying matte liquid lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out my vlog channel, and I will link my Vlogmas 2017 in the description box below if you're interested in watching that, or you know, are in the mood to binge watch some vlogs. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.